Hello everyone, welcome here. Today I am here to explain you future software skills to get software job. So what are the skills if I concentrated how the future growth is possibly there to take a next steps in my career? How it is possible? So this video lecture I'm going to explain you future technologies. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support. With the help of ChatGPT, I'm trying to getting this all the process one by one. So let's see. Future software skills to learn to get a software job. Let's see. ChatGPT is an AI tool which I'm using to getting such a great information. Quickly, I'll take a few steps like ChatGPT is suggesting like 9 great wonders of technologies. So the first one is artificial intelligence with machine learning. These are expected to play significant role shaping of future technology. Developers with expertise in these areas will be high demand in future. Cloud computing. As the companies increasingly move their infrastructure to the cloud. Skill development. Cloud environment creations. Cloud platforms supporting such as AWS, Azure and Google Cloud. Any one of the technology, if you learn and understand a step-by-step process of implementing, using an infrastructure setting, definitely will have a great career. Cyber security. With the increasing frequency of cyber attacks, cybersecurity skills will grow in high demand. Developers who build a security system for with the applications in a internet where the accessing is possibly available for an application, who are controlling and making safe environment. Yes, there is a job for cybersecurity people. Data science and analytics. More and more companies collecting large set of data. By applying of the skills, data science and analytics will be demand. This includes expertise in data mining, data visualization, statistical analysis and many more. Mobile development. Mobile devices continues to be forcing the technology and ensuring apps. Every skill you may see for a functionality, it is moving into the world of app. So the platforms like iOS, Android, so very vast futures are available in this development area. DevOps. It is a methodology that focus collaboration between developers and IT operations team. Developers with an expertise in DevOps to be demand more companies which are applying to approaching these DevOps concept to making their working methodologies quickly in a streamlined way. User experience. As a companies focus more on creating user-friendly applications, websites, apps, and user-attractive designs, which is a user doesn't need much coding skills. So these UX can anyone learn and develop their skills. Yes, more than other jobs what we have discussed. The same packages are also paying for the companies more and more. Blockchain. Blockchain technology is gaining popularity in industries like finance, healthcare. Developers with expertise in blockchain will be demand, where cryptocurrency and transaction where application is required, blockchain is going to be applied. Internet of Things. As devices becoming connected to the internet, Skills of IoT development as a valuable and expertise platforms like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, which are a simple example of a making of automations. It's vote nothing technology in the industry, consistently evolving the skills in demand today for a great future for application like a language development, application development, testing, and coding, database, RDBMS or MongoDB. Yes, any skill you may learn and you will have a great future. So choose anyone and continue with your continuous learning. So learning it's not a simple task for you to begin from the scratch, step by step. Do practice of all the lectures, what you are learning in a simple topic or simple like small tips. Apply in practical way, learn from the real world experts, apply to make a real time projects, and make sure to be a software professional in future. Wish you good luck. We'll catch you in a future lecture. Thank you.